Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Idil's Kitchen. In this video, we'll be making simit. You can think of simit as Turkish bagel. It's very delicious, super easy to make. It's sold everywhere here in Turkey. You can buy it off the streets. It's something that we grew up eating. And we need quite a few ingredients. We're going to need some flour, some water, some fresh yeast, some sesame seeds, some molasses, water again, and some salt. I'm going to write down all the ingredients down below in the description box along with the quantities, so make sure to check it out. So first off, what I'm gonna do is, in the flour, I'm just gonna crumble the yeast with my hands. You can use instant yeast as well, but if you use fresh yeast, I find it a little bit quicker for dough to rise after once it's all together. I'm just crumbling with my hands like so. And I'm going to transfer this to my stand mixer. You can do the dough with your hand as well, but it's quite easy with the stand mixer, so I like to use it. We are adding some salt. Water. And I'm going to knead everything for about, I would say, 8 minutes. And then we'll let it rise. And this is looking perfect. And now, like I said, I'm going to let it rise. But before I leave it to rise, I'm going to make 12 small balls out of it. So I've floured my surface here. And with my hands, I'm going to give the dough a cylinder shape, make it into a log. And then cut 12 balls out of it. Once everything is in 12 pieces, we gotta make sure that they're quite about the same size. So if something is bigger, you can just take some of that dough and put it in a smaller one. And after they're in 12 pieces, I'm just going to roll them with my hand here and give them a circular shape, make them into little balls. And then I'm going to transfer these to an oven tray, cover it up with a clean kitchen towel, and let the dough rise for about half an hour. In the meanwhile, we're going to make the molasses sauce. After we work with the dough and we give it its shape, we are going to dip it into molasses and sesame seeds. But I just want to take the molasses in a pan here, along with some water, make it a little bit more watery. And I'm going to bring it to a simmer and wait until the water is fully dissolved. Turn off the heat and wait for it to cool down. And then we'll give the simits their shape. I waited about half an hour to make sure that the yeast has worked its magic. And now I'm taking two doughs in front of me. And again, I'm giving it a cylinder shape. And I'm just rolling it with my hands into thin strips, not too thin, but I'm going to show you how it should look like. And it's important to, again, add some flour while doing this, so that it will be easier to do this. And this is perfect. And I'm going to give other one the same shape. And once I see this, they should be about the same length. It's very easy, I just roll it around. You can make them thinner, you can make them a little bit more thicker for a fatter simit like bagel. And again, I'm just pulling this up a little. And doing like this, and now it's a perfect circle. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to dip it into the molasses and in sesame seeds and transfer it into an oven tray. is now ready to go into the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven that has been preheated at 230 Celsius, which is about 450 Fahrenheit degrees, and it's going to stay in there for about 15 minutes. The simit stayed in the oven for about 18 minutes, and once it became this crunchy and it looks like this, it's time to take it off the oven. It looks so great. The way we eat simit is we always eat it with some feta cheese, some tomatoes, some olives, and of course with a nice glass of tea. And now I'm going to rip this open. Oh, look at that. It looks amazing. And the favorite part, let's give it a taste. It's so good, super crunchy on the outside, but look how soft it is on the inside. And because it's right fresh out of the oven, it's super warm. It's so nice, you know, I can't think of anything better to eat right now. As you see, it's quite easy to make simit. It's very similar to bagel, but a little bit more crunchier. Make sure you guys do try it at home. On my channel, I share a lot of easy, breezy, wholesome Mediterranean recipes, so please do subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye!